Ito na ang challenging part. Yung lahat ng binaba namin kanina from the municipal hall papunta rito. Aakyatin ulit. Apparently, the mountain in front of us this morning was the mountain that we will endeavor to climb today. Uy! Hello, my friend. You're the OG Filipino. Lakas, tapang, dignidad, integridad. Kalabaw! Saan kaya sila? Ay, sundan lang ang gasgas. Dinig ko na sila. Ha? Yan.